every business has moments when they delight or disappoint us. It might be the moment when we unbox a new product, or when our flight touches down on time, or simply when we step into the shower and there's hot water. There's a lot that goes into making these moments happen. A lot of hard work that goes into sourcing, making, packaging, delivering, and beyond. At the moment when it all pays off is what we call the moment of service. And it is then that companies create loyalty and advocacy, both of which are fundamentals of a strong business, because loyalty results in repeat custom, increased revenue, and of course, better margins. Now let me roll a short video about truly great moments of service.
Every good business was started with the intention to do something different. But every great business was started with the intention to do something amazing for their customer. It's a small nuance, but one that has a big impact. And whilst there are thousands of things that go into making a business successful, it's the moment of service that matters. It's the moment when all the hard work pays off. It's when you win or lose in the eyes of your customer. The key to success is the way your business engages customers, empowers its people, and leverages its assets. Providing an experience that delights your customers, from the time you motivate a sale to them wanting to buy again. From enabling your staff to be in the right place at the right time to work effectively before and after delivery. From efficiently managing your supply chain and optimizing how you work your assets. This is the DNA of your business. Stitching these elements together creates value and enables you to deliver on your promises. And that applies across all industries, regardless if you're a manufacturer, energy supplier, builder, or aviator. The moment of service matters. Centering your business on the moment of service tells your customers you care. It enables you to differentiate. It enables your business to grow and thrive. What's your moment of service?
Achieving these great moments of service requires a company to orchestrate their business and create performance predictability, from ensuring their supply chains perform on quality and on cost, to having the right people and the right assets in the right place at the right time. Successful orchestration means you can deliver on your promises and find new ways to create value, be it in how you serve your customers or in the products and services you offer. That can only be achieved when your technology is working for you across the business. And that's why we believe in the differentiation we bring from IFS Cloud, a single technology platform where our products underpin the success of your business across your business seamlessly. With your moments of service front of mind, we are delivering a new way of working that is true to our heritage of staying customer-focused and our vision of breaking down product silos so that you can become more service and outcome-driven, internally and externally.
IFS Cloud marks a really important next step in how we will work with and deliver for our customers in the markets they serve. We will continue to have a laser focus on the 5 core industries that we work in: aerospace and defense, telecom, energy utilities and resources, engineering, construction and infrastructure, manufacturing, and service industries.
In short, your deployment choice does not dictate your pace of updates or the ability to make the solution yours. On top of all this, we've built IFS Cloud to be portable. That means you can move it between our cloud and your environments when the time is right. So you can start in your own location and move into our cloud because we've built IFS Cloud for portability, using containerization and Kubernetes technology to make this happen in the back end. Choice, parity, and portability. IFS Cloud.
Call this the IFS lifecycle experience, and we think it's as important as the product itself. So, with IFS Cloud, we're re-engineering all of this. Our goal is to remove the complexity, risk and cost that may deter certain IFS customers from operating in a more evergreen state. In concrete terms, that means we're rolling out a cloud build place for you to tailor and build your solution and access the latest innovation and updates. We're opening a lifecycle experience portal, putting you in control of your implementation and future operations. A new developer portal with the latest tools, documentation and best practice guides to help you get the best out of your solutions and innovate faster. And a customer portal, your administration and monitoring environment with direct access to the status of your cloud deployment. It's a place to log and manage support tickets and assess your performance and utilization metrics.
So far we've been theoretical. Let's bring it to life. Let's place IFS Cloud in the reality of a customer business. Let's have a look at what some of the innovations in IFS Cloud can mean for a company like CIMCORP. So, who is CIMCORP? Well, CIMCORP makes advanced robotic solutions for interlogistics that are used to optimize material flows in warehouses, distribution centers, and manufacturing facilities. CIMCORP is also a pioneer customer for IFS Cloud.
Hi, I'm Tyler. As Christian said, we want to show you what IFS Cloud can mean for a company like CIMCORP. In this demo, my company, who is a customer of CIMCORP, has seen its business boom. As a result, we were in the process of upgrading our robotic picking solution, which we use for the stacking and packing the tires we produce for cars, as well as heavy-duty vehicles. This involves replacing the main gripper with a newer and faster model. The upgrade was going well, and we were ahead of plan. So I wanted to see if CIMCORP could deliver the new gripper a couple of days earlier than originally planned. To kick this off, let me show you what I did. I started by going to CIMCORP's site. Looks like they are using the customer engagement capabilities in IFS Cloud to provide a nice self-service chat function. I'll start by typing my name and that I want to change the date. Yes, it's a delivery date that I want to change. And I do have my customer number. So it looks like the delivery is planned for the 2nd. Let's see if we can have that the Friday before instead. Nope, that was too soon. Let's try the Monday instead then. Great, looks like we can get that gripper a bit earlier. Excellent service. I hope this won't cause a lot of problems in their production planning. But let's go to Saya, who is at CIMCORP's manufacturing site in Uvala, Finland, and see what happens.
Hi, I am Saya. I'm the planner here at our manufacturing site. I just saw that we have recently approved a request from one of our customers to move up the delivery day of a gripper by 1 day. That seems to have caused some challenges in our planning, but let me see if I can't sort that out. I really appreciate that IFS Cloud lets us configure the appearance to reflect our brand. We can even set up multiple brands for different markets or product ranges if we want. Perfect for letting our customers into the system to do some stuff self-service. Let's see if I can't deal with that issue in our planning. Overall, the situation looks good, but I can see that I have one late shop order and also an overload in a work center. Let's go to the visual shop order planning to see what that problem is. Let me just move this shop order a few days to see if that fixes the situation. Let's backward schedule that. Yes, looks like we now have a plan without any resource overloads. I'm super pleased we were able to meet the customer's request like this. Building and delivering a robotic system is of course core to what we do here. But our true moment of service is when the gripper is up and running at the customer's location and they are able to move their goods faster. To make sure we deliver that moment of service, we typically send one of our experts on site to oversee the installation and calibrate equipment, especially when we're talking key components like the gripper. So the next thing I need to do is to make a decision whether a technician visit will be required in this case, and then create a service visit in order to dispatch one of our technicians in order to calibrate and validate the gripper's operation. Oh, wait a minute, I don't need to do that manual work anymore. One of the great things with IFS Cloud is that it has built-in intelligence process automation, so I can automate away these kind of manual tasks. Let me just quickly complete an automation flow I started yesterday, so I won't ever have to manually create these service visits again. Here I can visually drag and drop to automate things. As you can see, I have already automated the service visit creation for the grippers, including the use of machine learning model to judge whether an on-site technician will be needed. The flow includes using our AI-powered scheduling optimization engine to get the right technician there in the right time slot. So let me just add in an activity to send an email with installation instructions for those cases where we don't need to send a technician on site. Being able to automate away manual tasks like this not only saves time, but also increases quality of our service delivery at that critical moment of service for our customers. If I now go to see what the embedded AI scheduling engine has done and zoom today, I can see that the service visit has already been assigned to our technician Juho and that he's already traveling to the customer. He's showing in orange though, which means there is a warning. So let's look at those. There are some empty routes, some activities in jeopardy, and here is a delayed travel for Juho. Looking at his performance, I can still see it's going to happen within our SLA, so we are keeping our promise to our customer. But let's see the route that Juho has this morning. If I zoom into the map, filter on Juho, I can see he's currently traveling to the first job of the day. And if I look specifically at his delay, I can see he's just arriving now. So let's go to Juho and see how he's getting on with installing the new gripper.
Hello, I'm Juho. While I was finishing the installation of the new gripper, I ran into a problem. I think I'll have to call my colleague James because he has more experience of this new model of the gripper. I can call him directly from the work order using the embedded remote assistance.
Hi Joe, I see you're calling about work order 980. How can I help you today?
I have an issue with the gripper. One of the arms is not extending out enough. Could you help me on that?
Sure, can you show me the gripper please? Yes, this is the new model gripper. I have seen this problem before. We need to ensure all the bearings are connected correctly, and then we need to disconnect and reconnect the drive cable. Sometimes the pins are not fully connected.
Can you show it to me?
Sure, let me show you. The bearings are here and here at the top, and the drive cable connection is at the bottom here.
Okay, still unsure. Could you show it again?
Sure, let me turn my camera off and freeze the screen. And I'll zoom in slightly, and I will mark up the bearings in blue, and I'll mark up the drive cable in red.
Okay, now I got it. Thank you, James.
No worries, call me back if you need anything else.
Will do.
Thanks, bye. Great that I could help Joe remotely using embedded remote assistance to deliver that moment of service for our customer. Now that he can complete the installation of the gripper, let's go to Anita in our customer service department to see what she can observe from her side when it's up and running.
there, I'm the Customer Service Manager. IFS Cloud is 100% browser-based and running in IFS's cloud, so I can access it from anywhere on any of my devices. Now, I want to check on the status of the gripper Yoo-Hoo has just installed. I'll go to the Asset Performance Management and select the new gripper. I can see here that the gripper's up and running, and Yoo-Hoo has even uploaded a photo so I can see exactly where it's situated at the customer's site. Thanks to the IoT capabilities of IFS Cloud, telemetry is flowing in from the gripper. For example, the grip force here, even the minimum is staying within the tolerance values. What I'm particularly interested in though, is to see if we're delivering on our promise to our customers by improving the speed of tyres being moved. I can see here that the gripper has been up and running for over 90% of the time, which is great. And the number of moves per hour is well over 1,000, which is actually more than we'd anticipated. Yet another moment of service for our customers. When we implemented IFS Cloud, we did a business value engineering exercise to understand how we could achieve our business initiatives. I have access to the upcoming capabilities in IFS Cloud, where the results of this exercise are both captured and tracked in real time. If we look at this 6-box model, we can see our business initiatives, the as-is landscape, any obstacles, the to-be landscape, enablers, and our business cases. IFS Cloud captures all our business transactions through the analysis models into this 6-box model, so I can see, understand and analyse how we are performing against our strategic initiatives in real time. For example, if I lock on this initiative to grow revenue, I can see the KPIs we use to measure progress in this initiative. I can analyse this particular KPI even more in this live analytical report. Looking at the profitability and zooming in on the South District, I can see that this product is driving half of our profits. Coming back to delivering that moment of service and getting our products to our customers on time, if I look here at the delivery performance of our site here in the Boston area, I can see that we have over 93% perfect order fulfillment, which is a great result. I can even drill through to see some of the recent orders that drive this number. We have the ability to not only drill down from the high-level analytics into the transactions, but then to drill into those transactions, make any necessary changes, which really helps us to deliver on what we hope to achieve with IFS Cloud. Delivering those true moments of service to our customers, whether it's getting products or people to our customers on time, or resolving an issue remotely to prevent a further visit, is a true win-win. Our customers get fantastic products, a great service, and a great experience. We get happy and loyal customers, which increases our sales as well as our bottom line.
A big thank you to CIMCORP for being an IFS Cloud pioneer customer and for working with us on enabling these scenarios.